Mateys, prepare to laugh your anchor off. These boat fails are a tidal wave of giggles. First up, we have Captain Overconfident trying to park his yacht. Spoiler alert, it's more bumper cars than smooth sailing. Next, a jet ski joyride gone wrong. Ever seen a human cannonball with a jet ski? Now you have. Then there's the classic check out my new boat moment, only this time the boat decides to check out first by flipping over. And who could forget the grand finale? A speedboat meeting a dock at full throttle. Dock 1 Boat 0. Remember, laughter is the best life jacket. Stay safe out there and don't forget to hit subscribe for more nautical nonsense. Catch you on the next wave.